How to share your screen on Google Meet. To share your screen on Google Meet, firstly, open up Google Meet. And once you have launched Google Meet and once you're logged in, so we're going to like join or start a meeting. So you need to be in a meeting in order to share your screen. So let me like join a meeting. So I will just create and join a dummy meeting here just to show the demo. So once I've joined in a meeting, so let me get into it. So here I'm almost in a meeting, so that's it. So I've already joined a meeting. So once you're in your meeting here, so next you go to locate the share screen button. So it's usually on the bottom toolbar here. So once you're on your meeting here, underneath you will see a toolbar here. So on this toolbar here, what we're going to do, you're going to look for this present now button. So look out for the present now button, which is this button here, present now. So that's the button. So choose that, click on it. When you click on it here, you need to select what you want to share. So for example, you can select entire screen if you want to share everything that's visible on your monitor, or else you can choose window tab here, that's to share a specific application or program window, or else this Chrome tab here, which is like to share a single tab from your browser. So you got to choose what you want to share. So for example here, let me share probably like let me like the entire screen probably. So select the entire screen and then select the screen and then hit on share. So when you hit on share, that's it, my screen will be now sharing. So I've started to share my screen. So once I'm done with the sharing, so what I'm going to do now is simply hit on this stop presenting option. So when you click on that stop presenting option, that's it, my screen share will be ended. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.